Hello everyone. In this edition, I'm going to show you another exciting feature in Applitools called Visual Locators. This feature is supported for both web and mobile SDKs on Applitools platform. For those who are new to automation, element locators are a way to identify input and outputs in the software. Thus, they are a reference point within the document object model which allow you to pull data from and push data to a web page and measure its response. If you are using Selenium or any other UI automation framework, you could be using one of the following locators like ID, name, class name, CSS selector, or XPath to interact with the web elements. However, there is a fundamental problem with the selectors that over the time it can either change with the changing app or sometimes very difficult to find for complex apps. To solve such scenarios, Applitools provides visual locators that allow you to use eyes technology to analyze an application page and discover the coordinates of predefined graphic entities. You can then use these coordinates to simulate mouse and keyboard events using the standard browser device handler methods. To show you how that works, I'm using automationpractice.com as my sample site for this demo. Now simply test the page through one of the available SDKs and this will create a baseline as usual. Go to your Applitools dashboard and select the created baseline. Then open the step editor and click on the Visual Locators tab. Notice the panel on the left shows the locators. These locators are local to the application and Applitools keeps a track of it. Now let's draw a region on the page that we have to interact with and name it uniquely. Our setup is done. Using this, I now have three different locators defined for my app. Let's go to the code. I'm using Selenium Framework and iSelenium SDK for my automation. Look at the test. Here, my aim is to take the screenshot of the home page and then click on the sign in button followed by another screenshot of the landing page. In the code, first I navigate to the page using WebDriver, open the ICE connection and take a screenshot using ice.check target.window and my step 1 is done. In the following lines, I have simply located the visual locator previously created using the eyes.locate method. Now, I simply click on the region using Selenium Actions and then take screenshot of the landing page, which is my last step. This completes my automation and we can run the test. Let's look at the results. In my new batch, I have got two steps which I wanted to capture. Thus, you can see that using Applitools visual locators, you can interact and find the elements which could be otherwise difficult to find in DOM or can change. And the benefit is that by using visual locators, the test code becomes independent of the element locators. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.